Hello everyone, my name is Johnny and in today's video we're going to unbox and find out if Mountain Drifters is the best car culture set released by Hot Wheels. These 5 packs are built as containers and they are known mostly for this, as the idea really caught on and we do enjoy it, considering this is not the only one. My previous video showed you that I do not open that many premium cars. Probably this is also the idea behind these packs. Many other collectors do not open their premium cars, but by getting these, they can actually enjoy the cars out of the packaging. The containers were built to be stackable. That is a good idea because you could put them on display all together, one on top of each other. These are just the same as their carded versions, the same castings, but obviously because these are 5, you're not going to get a chase. Or I didn't see anyone getting one, so I assume that is the case. The 95 Toyota Celica GT4, first time released in this set, so it is a new casting, probably going to make an appearance in the main lines soon, although it is not a rule and not all the premium cars have made it to the main lines. The rims are very nice, details everywhere, front and back. I mean, who doesn't enjoy a cool, clean Celica? Who doesn't? This car has also been released after this set in the Japanese tuners diorama in red, if you are after those. It looks great there as well, but I do like this set version better. The Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline was also released for the first time in this set, but since then it has made an appearance in the Team Transport Premium set and is going to be released in the Boulevard as well this year. Look at this amazing casting. You probably already seen the chase in the iconic black color that goes for a very high price online. All collectors want it, not only JDM fans. It has details, Liberty Walk decals, two-tone paint, good choice of rims, and a roll cage made in a different paint than the rest so it can be visible. What could also be visible is a like and subscription to my channel if you enjoy this type of content. That would help me a lot, thank you. On the back we have the tail lights, but because of the color chosen on this car, they're not standing out, but they're definitely there. If you're a completionist, getting the carded set might be very hard because of the chase, but this pack would get you all the cars, so it might be a better deal this way. This Honda NSX Type R is the second time in a premium set, and it is looking amazing in this simple white color choice. It was also part of the Fast and Furious Quick Shifters set in 2020. It has the black windows, so we can't really see inside the interior, details in the front and in the back, good choice of rims. I think 2022 might have been the year with the most JDM car released, mainlines, premium, special series, so many that a lot of collectors actually complained about it. Well, I say they look great, they made a good job with most of them, so we don't need to be upset about it, considering that this year we will probably get more muscle cars or European cars to balance the JDM income from previous year. Mitsubishi 3000 GT is another very cool model that only has one other premium release, the Car Culture Modern Classics from 2021. Just like the predecessor with a simple paint job, details front lights and back lights, rims that go very well with the color chosen. Very hard to choose what's the best one or the weakest out of this set, but you can always leave a comment with your opinion. This set really has nothing that you could not like about. All JDM cars, part of the pack that you could open and enjoy, most of them were only part of premium set. I can say that overall is a successful set. Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno is the only model out of this set that actually has mainline releases. In the same time, it has probably the most expensive version out of all of them, and that is the Initial D special release, exclusive to Japan, and I think you could only acquire it if you bought all 24 manga comics series released with the Initial D in Japan. It has these mini wheels which I'm not a fan of, and obviously the manga graphics. I can't decide which one of these versions is better, the Slide Street or Mountain Drifters. Even comparing them side by side, I don't know, you be the judge of that. If you can't get your hands on the initial D release, this one might be a cool replacement. Is this the best car culture set released so far? Well, that's up to you to decide, or watch my Dutchland design unboxing if you're still unsure. Perhaps that set will be more appealing to you. I definitely enjoyed it and I will look forward into trying other sets just like this one. Thank you for watching and have fun collecting!